All right, let's talk how much it cost to build this deck. Right here we've got a 10-foot wide by 35 feet long, and we're going to talk just the facts. How much did this cost to build? So first of all the lumber and tape and Simpson strong ties came in right at $2,800. So not too bad for the lumber for the structure. Then the decking and the rail. So we've got a composite decking. This is TimberTech. And then our rail system is a system by Fortress, so this is a metal railing. So decking and rail came in at $8,688. So one thing to note, the rail system is quite expensive. Now the decking for the stairs, go over here to the stairs, decking and rail for the stairs came in at $3,025. So there's a lot of material that goes into those stairs. So that was a little bit expensive. Then general fasteners and screws, so I used hidden fasteners. Then I got the TimberTech matching deck screws. You can kind of see them right there. Those came in at $975. So material alone to build this deck plus the stairs, we were at $15,488. So if I had completed this entirely myself, it would have been just over $15,000, but I did get some contractor help, so I had some contractors build the structure. So in order to build the structure for this deck, I paid $5,000, and then the stair railing, I had them install that as well, and they charged me $1,500 for that. And both of those was money well spent, because it would have taken me weeks and weeks to do those projects, especially the structure. This deck is 16 feet off the ground, and so that would have been a very difficult job for me. Also the stair rail, giant pain in the butt. So all in, we were $21,988, so just shy of $22,000 to make this really big deck. Take a look at the stairs here. Continuing our construction project here, we've still got to do the screened-in porch at the bottom. Got a poodle visitor right there. Okay, so now that this is all done, is there anything I would have done differently to attempt to save a little bit of money? Well, one thing I would say, the Fortress rail system is quite expensive. So if I could find a different system, that could actually save a significant amount of money. I'm very happy with the TimberTech, how that turned out. TimberTech composite decking works out to about 3 times the price of going with wood. However, you don't have to stain it. Was this worth it going over wood? Well, ask me in about 20 years. If this TimberTech is holding up, then it will definitely be worth it. I'm hoping that this thing can last a long time.